Calculate the relationship between A and R in case of face-centered cubic system. So here we will do what? You know that all the edges are occupied by the atoms. Okay. All the edges here also, one atom is there, one here and one here, and we are considering one face. It means faces also, all the 6 faces now. So suppose this is one atom, this is one atom, and this is one atom. Okay, the one atom is present at this face. So let's count, children. This is A, no? This is edge, this is also an edge. Clear? So this is R of this first sphere, R of radius of this, radius of this, and radius of this. So if we talk about this edge length, that is A, that will be equals to 4R. Again repeating, how 4R? As these are 3 atoms, but the atom which is present at the center having 2R. Okay, these are and these are, this is R. So A equals to 4R. Is it clear to you? This is A, this is A. Okay, suppose we consider this triangle. Okay, and what I told you, that in case of cubic system, A equals to B equals to C, means all the edges are same because we are considering cubic system, and alpha is equals to gamma equals to beta equals to gamma, means all the angles are same. So here it is very easy for you to calculate the edge length of this, and suppose we have Pythagoras theorem, that will give you A square plus B square equals to C square. Okay, so here A square, this is A, plus this is A, and this C square. Let's count, 1R, 2R, 3R, 4R. So this will be written as 4R square. Okay, A square plus A square, this will be 2A square. That is 4, this is 16R square. Clear? Now we can write here A square equals to 16 by 2 R square. A square equals to, this is 2 8s are 16 R square. Okay, now taking root of these all, under roots, then this will be A, this will be 8 is 2 root 2, this is R. Clear? Or A equals to 2 under root 2R, or R equals to A divided by 2 root 2. Okay, so this will be the relationship between radius of an atom of face-centered cubic system with its edge length, that is R equals to A under root A divided by 2 root 2. This is for FCC. Clear?